Today is another opportunity to perform an Embu with the Muso Shinden Ryu School of Iaido. Luckily for us, we have two great angles to look at today. Every traditional Japanese arts always begins and ends with etiquette, paying respect to the traditions, the teachers, and the students. We call this method of bowing and respect Reiho. This method of Reiho may differ from your schools, so please do enjoy the presentations and treat it as a reference. In typical Namazu fashion, this video is a documentation of my personal journey, not to intend to indoctrinate other styles who studies under different styles of dojos. Typically, for Iaido examinations, they would test you on 5 katas of their choosing during the day. Since this is an Embu performance, we get to choose the katas for ourselves. So without further ado, hope you enjoy this Embu session. Shohatto. Utto. Shintai. Coranto. Nukiuchi. Did you spot anything interesting with the Embu? Do share your thoughts in the comment sections below. Hope you enjoyed that. Do share, like and subscribe to the channel. Do hit the notification bell as well for more upcoming contents on Japanese EI swordsmanship. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.